Happy birthday, sweet boy. Hi. It's your birthday today. February 23rd, 2012 is your birthday. You're 1 year old. And you're trying to cruise around on our new play structure. You want to get Hurley's ball? Getting much better on your feet. You have 7 teeth. You love to play outside and walk and explore. There you go. Good job. Boom. Good job, sweetie. Hi. Happy birthday, bud. Oh, good standing. Connor! Do you hear the airplane? Are you looking for it? It's in the sky! Up in the sky! Ooh, airplane! Ooh. Bye-bye! Oh, good standing. Bye-bye.